Your business is working at a faster pace across every technology team. Developers have shortened release cycles. Ops teams support quicker product deployments. And IT teams have to balance increased velocity with keeping systems up and running. Now, everyone's on call to resolve issues that happen during the software delivery cycle. Even developers who should be spending more time on building rather than fixing. Teams work within different tools, each with unique insights needed for your business. So what's the best way to fix stuff? Standard alerting tools simply tell you there's a problem rather than helping you resolve it. They create barriers between teams rather than driving collaboration. Tools that send mass notifications aren't much better than spam. It's a spray and pray approach. With xMatters, there's a better way. xMatters delivers integration-driven collaboration to relay data between systems, while engaging the right people to proactively resolve any issue. Make sure that the right individuals and groups for any situation are identified, notified, and taking action every time. When you receive a critical error through your monitoring tool, use xMatters to pull information and convert it to a support ticket. Or rally team members in your ChatOps solution. xMatters lets you work the way you'd like to. IT staff can drive collaboration directly from their service desk through in-depth integrations. Developers can manage resolution processes without leaving their preferred tools. When issues are resolved, relay status to every system engaged in the business process. Archive valuable ChatOps information right within your bug tracking or service desk systems. With xMatters, collaborate across tools, people, and teams to resolve any issue.